Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change your profile in Avira. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile in Avira. This is very helpful when you want to change your profile and you don't know how to. And you don't know if you even have a profile. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile in Avira. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Avira. Once you open up your Avira, click on the top right here at my account. After clicking on that, click on your name right here on the first thing on the top. There we go. And then wait for our browser to pop up. There we go. Browsers pop up and you will be redirected wait right here. And there you go. When you now you're here, you're able to change your profile picture and your account details. So, for example, we're gonna change our account details right here. We're gonna change it to KDV and we're gonna put EV here on our last name and then upload picture. So let's choose a picture. Okay, let's choose this one. And are we allowed to choose this? Okay, we are allowed. Then go. Go then save picture. Error was not uploaded. Please try again so we can choose another picture. I think it's not allowed. So let's just choose picture of Flynn Rider. Daniel. There you go. Save picture. Oh, it's not allowed. So something might be wrong, but that's how you upload your picture in Avira. And now, to save all of those changes, just click on Save Change. And a little bit tip for you guys, you can remove your zip code if you want. Remove zip code. And you can also remove your billing address, city, and zip code. But you would need them when you are gonna pay for your Avira. But if you don't pay for a bill, you only get a free version, it's okay to remove them. Then click Save Change. There you go. Account details updated successfully. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you change your profile in Avira. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.